What up, everybody?
What up, what up?
I'm Ruben.
And I'm Lori.
We are
Life After Kids, Journey Unknown.
A couple of free birds who decided to sell everything and live full-time in a classy motorhome.
In order to find a purpose beyond parenting.
Seek adventures.
And reignite passions.
So come along as we figure out this nomad lifestyle.
And hopefully we can inspire you
to feel the free.
Love our life!
Yeah.
We are at the Blue Heron French Cheese Company. Yes, I know, cheese, but it's part of a Harvest Host program that we are a part of, and we get to stay here free. So why not? I mean, it looks beautiful. Let's go check it out. We have our Harvest Host parking permit. We're gonna go park Leppy. And they said we can stay here, what? 2 days if we wanted to.
Found our spot, and now it's time to explore.
Look at the skies. Yeah, it's coming in, and it's coming in fast. So we did not want to get caught in that. So we just figured, let's find somewhere fast. This was the fastest place.
Mm-hmm. It's nice not to be the oldest thing here. Bro, what was it?
I have no idea. If anybody can tell us what this was used for.
I got it. It's an old bong. It's for the water.
I'm not sure. If anybody else knows what this is for, please let us know.
London Bridge, Piccadilly Circus. You can catch this bus and get there. I don't know if this one's going anywhere. Is that Chitty Chitty Bang Bang? The llama says it's closed.
Who else is a root beer freak? I love root beer. Not him. There is so much candy stuff. If you had an OG jelly bag, give me a thumbs up in the comments. We got our animal feed.
Just smile, guys. Just smile.
Hi. Hey, what's up? Well, it's like a crack.
Nobody else has that.
You look like you're a crack, bruh. Give me. Here. There you go. Aha! It's a llama. It's a llama. Or is it
Alpaca?
an alpaca?
I don't
Do
know.
you know
I think
if it's a llama or an alpaca? I don't know.
I think it's a llama.
It's so cute. Oh shoot! Oh, a fight! It's a cockfight.
Oh!
Oh!
We fed the animals. We checked out the store.
And now it's time to hit the hay because we are tired.
Yeah.
Oh. Good morning, everybody.
Oh, what's good, people?
Oh. The sun is out. Woo. We're gonna get on and hit the road and go visit our kid. Say peace out and then we out.
Yeah.
Let's go. We are currently on Route 6, the trees to the Ocean Byway, Scenic Byway. Very gorgeous drive. If you ever are coming in from Portland, definitely take Highway 6. So far, it's been
Absolutely breathtaking.
oh, it's closed. Closed.
Oh, wow. See you on the way back.
Let's go. If you're looking for a boondocking spot, Highway 6 definitely has a lot of spots that you can pull over and go boondocking. Definitely. From one jackass to another. Oh, let's go see the Brazen Brits.
Let's.
Tomorrow we're gonna get up at the freaking crack of dawn, sunset.
Mm-hmm.
There's roosters here, so we
Sunrise.
know. Did I say sunset?
Yeah.
Shit. See, I'm tired.
Yeah, a little tired.
We're gonna get up at sunset. Fucking shit. Bye.
Later. Peace out. We gone.